All-Power America 10,000-watt dual-fuel generator with electric start, APGG10000GL 10,000 watts gas, propane portable generator, red, black. A perfect product is backed by a genuine warranty. I don't hesitate to tell you that, because it's really good. 10,000 watt peak power, 8,000 watt rated power gas, 8,500 watt peak power, 7,000 watt rated power LPG. 15 horsepower 420cc OHV air-cooled engine. Runs 11 hours at half load. Fuel capacity, 8 gallons, operating noise level, 76 decibels, electric start button and recoil start. 4x AC Duplex 120 volts outlets, 1x 120V twist lock outlet, 1x120 240ths of a volt twist lock outlet, 1x12 volts DC. Include hour meter, maintenance-free battery and flat freewheel kit. EPA certified. Non-C.A.R.B compliant, not available to ship to California. Yes, I want to emphasize to you. All-Power's APGG10000GL offer the most cost-effective generators among its competitors, in addition to some extra features. It has a continuous 8,000 watts power supply with gas and 7,500 watts power with propane, and runs 11 hours at half load. The unit has an engine volume of 76 decibels. And it includes hour meter and will kit for your convenience. The push electric start feature would be a great help, and a battery comes with the generator. 2 AC Duplex 120 volts outlets, 1 to 120 volts twist lock outlet, 1 to 120 240ths of a volt twist lock outlet, 112V DC EPA approved.